Want to know how AI can make you rich? Stick around, this could change your financial future. Welcome. Today we're exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming stock trading, making it more accessible and efficient. This impacts everyday investors, not just Wall Street pros. Stock trading involves buying shares of a company you believe in, aiming to buy low and sell high. That's the fundamental principle of making your money work for you. AI is revolutionizing this process. Think of AI as a super smart assistant, sophisticated software that learns from data, analyzes situations, and makes informed decisions at lightning speed. You already experience AI daily, from streaming recommendations to GPS navigation. Now, AI is shaking up Wall Street. The modern market is fast-paced and complex. News travels instantly, and social media can cause wild price fluctuations. The sheer volume of information is overwhelming. And that's where AI provides an advantage. It's your personal secret weapon, processing data in seconds and spotting hidden trends. AI never gets tired or emotional. It empowers you with the insights to make smarter decisions, leveling the playing field and giving you a shot at building long-term wealth. The world of trading is evolving, driven by AI. Are you ready to harness its power? Let's break down how AI works in trading, explore how it can improve your strategies, and discuss potential risks. Whether you're a seasoned or new investor, this is your chance to gain an edge. The future of investing is here, smarter and more accessible. Don't get left behind. Let's get started and achieve your financial goals. It's your money, your future, your move. Let's make it count. So how does AI actually work in trading? What drives its decisions? It all comes down to algorithms, the heart of AI-driven trading. An algorithm is essentially a set of rules designed for one purpose: making money. They leverage machine learning, enabling them to learn and adapt, constantly refining their strategies. AI studies decades of historical stock data, searching for hidden clues. It's constantly searching for patterns invisible to the human eye. It devours news from every corner of the financial world and analyzes social media sentiment. And it pores over economic reports, staying ahead of the curve. The AI then builds sophisticated predictive models. It's constantly estimating the probability that a particular stock will rise or fall in value. It significantly stacks the odds in your favor by providing data-driven predictions. The more data it processes, the smarter it becomes. AI empowers you to cut through the noise and focus on genuine opportunities. That's the immense power you're tapping into when you leverage AI in trading. Instead, you're making informed and strategic moves based on solid data. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level with AI? Here's where AI shines, predicting prices and acting fast. It analyzes earnings, news, analyst opinions, and even rumors to forecast stock moves. This gives you a real edge. When it's time to trade, AI executes orders in microseconds, faster than any human. In volatile markets, that speed can mean the difference between profit and loss. AI also reads the mood of the market by scanning millions of social media posts and headlines. If it spots a surge of positive buzz, it can flag a stock before the mainstream catches on. Risk management, AI's got your back. It monitors your portfolio in real time, selling off losers automatically and helping you diversify. It's a tireless, emotionless guardian for your investments. With AI, you're not just faster, you're smarter and safer. That's how you stay ahead in today's market. Let's talk about why this matters for you. On to the next scene. Why should you, as an individual investor, really care about the rise of AI in the financial world? Because AI finally gives individual investors like you access to the very same powerful tools that were once exclusively available to Wall Street pros and large institutions. You simply don't have the time or, frankly, the inclination to wade through endless financial reports and complex data sets. AI does all of that heavy lifting for you, working tirelessly 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It intelligently sifts through the constant noise of the market, identifies real, data-backed opportunities, and presents those opportunities to you with clear, concise, and easily understandable data. This allows you to focus on what truly matters, your financial goals, and not the tedious grunt work of market analysis. Perhaps most importantly, AI removes emotion from the investing process. That means no more panic selling or making greedy, impulsive mistakes based on fleeting market trends. Instead, it sticks rigorously to your predefined strategy, using cold, hard logic and comprehensive data analysis, and not succumbing to fear or the latest hype. This unwavering discipline can save you from making potentially costly errors and ultimately help you build long-term wealth and financial security. Furthermore, AI also makes investing a far less intimidating process for newcomers. It takes incredibly complex financial data and distills it down into simple, actionable insights that anyone can understand. You get clear buy and sell signals, along with easy-to-understand explanations, building your confidence and knowledge as you go. It's almost like having a personal mentor constantly guiding you safely and effectively through the often turbulent market waters. Because of AI, more people than ever before can now invest smartly and confidently, and that's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Remember, AI is your partner in this journey, not your replacement. It's about cooperation and collaboration. Use its power to make better, more informed decisions and ultimately reach your financial dreams and aspirations. The playing field is finally level, giving everyone a fair shot at success. So let's embrace the future and keep going forward together. AI isn't a magic money machine. There are real risks. Over-optimization is a big one. AI can get too focused on past patterns that may not repeat. Then there's the black box problem. Sometimes even the creators can't explain why AI makes certain decisions. Don't blindly trust any tool you don't understand. Technical glitches can cause costly mistakes in seconds. Never put all your money into a fully automated system and walk away. And beware of hype and scams. There's no such thing as guaranteed profits. Use AI as a tool, not a replacement for your judgment. Stay alert, stay informed, and always keep control. Let's talk about how to get started safely. Ready to try AI trading? Here's your roadmap. First, educate yourself. Keep learning about trading and AI basics. Next, pick a reputable brokerage with solid AI tools, compare features, fees, and reviews. Start with a paper trading account. Practice with fake money to test strategies and get comfortable. Don't rush, spend a few weeks learning the ropes before risking real cash. When you're ready, start small. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Treat it as tuition for your financial education. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investment. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Use AI to help, but always stay in control. Monitor your trades and adjust as needed. The goal is to learn, adapt, and grow your skills. AI is a tool, your judgment is the key. Take your time, build your knowledge, and invest wisely. You're in the driver's seat. Let's move on to choosing the right platform. Picking the right AI platform is crucial. Look for transparency. Does the platform explain how its AI works? Check for real, verifiable backtesting results, not just flashy testimonials. Consistent, risk-adjusted returns matter more than one lucky year. Research the team. Are they credible experts in finance and tech? Avoid platforms with anonymous creators or no clear track record. User experience counts. Choose a platform that's easy to use and offers good support. Test their customer service before you commit. A trustworthy company invests in helping its users succeed. Do your homework. Your money depends on it. Now let's build your strategy. Remember, AI is your co-pilot, not the pilot. You set the goals and risk limits. Use AI to generate ideas. Let it screen for stocks that fit your criteria. But always do your own research before investing. AI can help balance your portfolio, spotting risks and suggesting adjustments. Diversification and data-driven decisions are now at your fingertips. Combine AI insights with your own analysis. Read reports, understand the business, and trust your judgment. The best investors blend AI's power with human wisdom. Don't just follow signals blindly. Make informed choices. That's how you build a winning portfolio. Use AI to save time, manage risk, and find opportunities. But remember, you're always in charge. The smartest strategy is one that uses both brains, yours and the AI's. That's how you win. Let's wrap up with some final tips. Never stop learning. AI and finance are always evolving. Diversify your investments. Never bet everything on one stock or tool. Use AI for part of your portfolio, but keep a long-term perspective. Don't obsess over short-term swings. Real wealth takes time. Trust the process and give your investments room to grow. Stay in control. AI is powerful, but you make the decisions. Combine AI's data with your own research and common sense. Stay patient, stay informed, and stay diversified. If you do, you'll be ready to win in the new world of investing. Remember, AI is your ally, not your autopilot. Use it wisely and you'll have an edge. Now go out there, take charge, and make your money work for you. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and share with a friend. Let's build wealth together with AI.